Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix error code 268 on Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. Now the error on your Roblox can appear for many reasons. First thing is that maybe you have not updated your app. That could cause the problem. So you're gonna go to your app store and you're gonna go to search bar and type in Roblox to check out whether you have an updated version or not. So as you can see, mine says open, that means it's updated version. If yours says update, tap on update and you're good to go. Now when you go to Roblox and you're trying to log in, it's all updated but cannot log in. The next thing you can check is your internet connection. Sometimes if your internet is not good, it will turn off and on in between, then that could cause the login issue as well. Go ahead, check the network or choose different one if you are encountering problem in the original. Then when you're inside the Roblox and if it's not working properly, could be maybe you have maybe the server itself is down, it's not working. That could be one of the reason, and that is basically it. Now you have to make sure as well you do add the correct information of your password and your login information for you to get inside the Roblox as well. If you have attempted multiple with the wrong information, that could also cause you a problem for you to get inside the Roblox and play the games. So make sure of that and you're good to go. Otherwise it still doesn't help, then you can simply go ahead, remove the app itself and reinstall it, and that should also help. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.